mission that Muammar Gaddafi, the former leader of Libya, had in the Gambia. However, Gaddafi was known for his Pan-Africanist ideology in his efforts to promote unity and cooperation among African nations. He also provided financial and military support to various African countries, including the Gambia, during his tenure as the Libyan leader. In the Gambia specifically, Gaddafi provided financial and technical assistance to the government for various development projects, such as the construction of roads, schools and hospitals. He also supported the country's armed forces by providing training and equipment. Overall, Gaddafi's involvement in the Gambia was part of his larger vision of a united and prosperous Africa, and his efforts to support African countries and promote African unity. What did Gaddafi do in Gambia before his death? Muammar Gaddafi did not visit the Gambia before his death in October 2011. However, during his time as the leader of Libya, Gaddafi had a long-standing relationship with Gambia and provided support in various forms, including financial aid and military support. In 2010, Gaddafi pledged to invest over $10 billion in the Gambia's infrastructure, energy, and agricultural sectors. As part of his efforts to strengthen ties with African countries, the investment was aimed at creating jobs and boosting economic growth in the Gambia. However, it is unclear how much of this investment was actually realized, as Gaddafi's government was overthrown the following year. After Gaddafi's death in 2011, the Gambia expressed its condolences and observed a 3-day national mourning period. The then president of the Gambia, Yahya Jammeh, had a close relationship with Gaddafi and had publicly supported him during the Libyan civil war. Jammeh also opposed the NATO-led intervention in Libya, which eventually led to Gaddafi's downfall.
Subscribe to Sparta King Sparta. Thanks for watching.